Eric RPG, and I'm back again, and I couldn't find the things that they were mentioned in this place, so I know they're probably there, I just don't know where they are, so I'm just gonna leave. Well, before that, though, I'm going to take the time to evolve my stats. The long-tail bird's tail. And then we're going to increase the Tyrannosaurus jaws. Or the Tyrannosaurus jaws, in this case. And then we're going to put the Pronosaurus dorsal fin on. Can't believe I had to level it up again. But oh well. And then the horned helmet. Oops. Back of the head is where it is. I wonder if I could evolve the body. It's not important to do it right now, and that's something that FAQ says anyways. We already went to Mount Hidden Animals, so we gotta go to the one place that we haven't visited yet. The domain of Pronosaurus. You're calling me stupid? You fool. $200. Screw you, I'm not fighting any of you. Tyrannosaurus. Screw you. 200. I can fly, so I could just bypass all of you. I'm laughing because flying is funny. We are the Tyrannosaurus, the strongest creature to receive power from the crystal. I promise. So this is a Mixture X situation? I hope not. Let's rule a world. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. I've made my decision. Let's see what happens. Tens of thousands of years have passed, and then... Uh-oh. Something is falling. Please help. And we died. And became a fossil. Ha. Yeah. That's a game over. No, we're not going to join the world. I'm going to continue to survive. Wow, you're a dummy. Wow, they're powerful. I guess I don't really need to fight them, though, since they continue to respawn, I guess. Oh well. How many of these guys are there? Aha! Creamy. Oh, maybe we do have to kill them all. How many other are there? I guess I could just gotta keep fighting. Hope they don't kill me. Whoa, what's going on? River of Asteroids? Uh-oh. Yay, we're cheating. The world of dinosaurs was destroyed. We're all dead. Sad. It's the day of Lavos. Very morbid. You could stand to make them a little bloody, at the very least charred. But oh well. Dust caused from the asteroid created a very dense cloud, blocking out all the sunlight. Yep. That's the end of this chapter, but the video's not gonna end because of the way the last video ended. So I'm gonna do another chapter here. Mammals. I kinda like my bird form. But I'm gonna have to change. I'm going to save it to the record, though. Record of evolution. Nah, we're removing that one. Tarot. Yay, the record's complete. Now with that, we're gonna save the seat. I can't walk. Yep. Just look at humans. A creature known as... No, I'm not actually going to do that, because I like the power increase of the other species. I'll show you what a human looks like, but I'm not going to use them. Need to get into the cave, it's cold outside. Oh god, the ghost of the... Ghost of dinosaurs. Spirit power called Hope. Really? Yay, I've been judged, and I've been judged fairly. I'm gonna evolve as a mammal. What the hell? I'm a tiny last rat. Alright, I guess I'm getting out of here. Of all the things. The Cave of Titanium. Dead rat bodies. I didn't even notice those were skulls before. Yep. A white two-legged creature. Well, I need to evolve, because I'm fucking weak. We're adding a deer horn. Yeah, that looks cool. Really? Alright. We're gonna try something else. I'm gonna go with a mane. Because I want to be a lion. Maybe I'm a lion. Look at that. The increase in damage is welcome. Nah, I'm not gonna evolve. Apparently I gotta get out of this cave now. That's all you need to do here. This cave music's driving me nuts. I gotta get out of here. Alright, moving on. At least I can't slip on the ice anymore. Wow, they're good jumpers. Oh, that's all that was there. The domain of the Paramis. The domain of the Prime Bird. That's where we're at now. Just run away from these guys. Yeah, that's considered a death in this game. Or you could just let them come to you, I guess. Time your attack right. So I made a record, so I don't know why I don't transform. Maybe you have to use them. I don't know. The exit of Mount Snow. Ouch, that really hurt. The domain of Hyanodon. Kinda reminds me of hyenas. Yeah, I'm not meant for that level. Not yet. The Land of Survival 1. I'm gonna go for the dog jaws. Not gonna use them though, not yet. Or I guess we have to. Oh boy. That looks like Australia. Uh-oh. Well, I can't really handle these guys. The dragon! Yeah. I wanna fight these guys. This stage looks not much different from the other ones. Yeah, I would say it'd fight, but it's a waste of time if you ask me. Although, I could have used that and then leveled up if I was playing normally, but I'm just gonna use the blast through that area. Okay, I'm gonna increase my HP, or my body even more, after this stuff wears off. Really? I'm gonna evolve my Jaws again. Fierce Jaws. Rhinoceros body. I'm also going to increase my body size. Also going to evolve the bullhorn. There we go. These things are apparently called a ballroom. Yeah, when you evolve really high, you gain less health back from healing because you're so tough. Well, we're going to an ice cube, huh? Leave the pig. I guess I need to eat the penguins. Just leave the seals alone. We're going to the Domain of Mammoth next. I like how his eyes turn white when you run. The Mammoth Brothers, huh? Super Mammoth Brothers. Part of the... No? Do I look like a Yeti? Boom! Well, you're dead. Where's the other one? Really? Soap bubbles? Whatever. very easy to defeat the Yeti if only they had the crystal. The secret? I just killed some of your brethren, and you don't seem the least bit sad. Maybe they are a bunch of jerks. The Ice Pool Spirit, huh? It's not letting me leave that way. Okay. Fort Birdman. Great. I guess we're going there next. Excuse me. I'm a slave. Oh no. Well, that was fun. Birds. Well, screw you guys. You can't defeat me, I'm too strong. I'm a lower creature, huh? You're fighting with swords. I need to be up there, apparently. Haha, I turned the background off. Oh, that was stupid. I didn't save. Oh well. I don't have time to fight all of you. Dashing into this game is difficult, it seems. I'm gonna make a neck extension now. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna save here. So I don't fall down, because I'm supposed to go to that teleporter. Oh, well, I'm supposed to go on that teleporter. The one I just entered, that is. I'm jumping at the wrong time. Yeah, I'm completely jumping at the wrong time. How come I can't make that jump now? I don't get it. I'm failing at this horribly. There we are. Go left to the transporter. So we gotta go to this one. Alright. Gotta go right now. I got lost here the first time I played this. Well, that isn't where I need to be. This is the difficult part of the game. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I'm looking for a red crystal. actually. Yeah, we want this. Haha, an elephant. I'm gonna call him Ellie. The elephant's kind of useless though, but I wanted to hold on to it. It's got a lot of HP though, so that's pretty cool. Bird King, huh? Finally. I was getting tired of that body. Well, that was the wrong direction. Going for a little bit of length on this. I'm gonna have to wait because form is just too weak. I think I was supposed to clear that jump. Or not. Well, it's the boss of this area. The Bird King, huh? Boss of the Birdman, leader of the great tribe that has continued to evolve, though he lost many people by the falling asteroids. Age of Intelligence. Yep, sounds right. Who came from the universe? Really? You know what? Why not join you? Looking into my future, huh? Father of the Birdman. The moon's not a planet. What the? Whatever. Master is coming. What? Who's the master of what? Ha! It's a Nazca plane drawings. So yeah, that's a game over. Or a level boot. So no. Let's say no. A traitor? I don't think so. Wow. What a joke this boss is. And you're dead. Jeez, it's a load-bearing boss. Gotta get out of here. Well, you can't really die. Shit. It blew up. Oh, wait. There's only one other place left. Alright, last area. These guys are pushovers now. What does it sound? Oh, it's the Yeti. Destroying the creatures. Well, the bird was right about them being stupid and only caring about strength. Sir Yeti, I rule the ice world using the power of the crystal. This crystal is probably more trouble than it's worth, and the only reason I'm using it is to prevent other creatures from using it. Is something wrong? Well, you have a big mouth. It doesn't matter what you say. Ouch. And he kicked my butt. Well, he immediately starts right in on you. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to use the healing trick. Maybe my neck's getting in the way. Yeah, I think my neck is getting in the way. him, finally. Junior? Oh no. That's so sad. I feel awful now. Is there a mama yeti? Be strong because he's dying. Okay. Uh-oh. Not good. It's Mama Yeti. She's pissed. Well, she's probably easier to defeat. Just before I died. Well, that was crazy. I didn't even land a single hit. This episode's gone very long. Seriously, that's ridiculous. Yeah. Seriously, this is retarded. I don't know how you're expected to defeat these guys. I feel like the Kacho now. What the hell? I think I'm doing good. I think I've got a working pattern. What the heck? If I didn't have this many points, I wouldn't be doing this, probably. This is why this game has lots of grinding. I couldn't even get a hit in there. Thank goodness, that was crazy. So Junior's an orphan now. Sad, but what was I gonna do? They wanted to kill me. Yeah, it's better me than someone else, I suppose. Ice Age is gone. Animals will be prosperous from now on. Although the dinosaurs are extinct, the rule of the survival of the fittest remains. Yeah, some jackbutt put the crystal on the planet. I'm almost to Eden. The next video will be the final chapter of this game. Chapter 5, Early Man. Actually, I think there's 7 chapters, but I think we're nearing the end of this game. It's been a while, so I might be off. Yeah, there's like 2 more chapters. So I'll see you guys later, and sorry for the length of this episode. So